Good morning. I am about to start day 3 on the KATY trail. I actually had a very good night's sleep. Very light winds. It was kind of cold, but I was okay. And last night I camped with another cyclist. I camped with Caleb.
Hello.
And his kitty. This is his kitty, Marilyn. Marilyn is a star. Yeah, oh, she's so sleepy. Look at that. Isn't she a sweetheart? So the two of us are going to be riding down the trail together, and we're just about to get going. So, all right, let's go. Come on, Myrtle. Let's go. On the KATY trail, day 3, with Caleb and his cat, Marilyn. Hey, Caleb.
Hey. Riding my bike.
Yeah, baby. Let's ride. Come on, Marilyn. Oh, Marilyn's sleeping. It's starting to warm up. I bet Marilyn is loving that. This is really amazing. A stone tunnel from the KATY train days. Woohoo, woohoo! Woohoo, woohoo! And we've got rock. Ah, beautiful. And then we're crossing a river. Well, this is the Diana Bend Conservation Area. Crossing a river here. What river do you think this is?
Missouri. Baby Missouri.
It's the Baby Missouri. Isn't that great?
Oh, it's like a long movie.
Right. Yeah. Really nice. I guess it's a grain elevator?
It looks like it's brick and mortar too.
Brick and mortar. Stone. Yeah, it's very, very nice looking.
Out here in the middle of nowhere.
Yeah, it really is too. Marilyn's taking a nap. She's like, I can't be bothered. Yeah, this is very, very nice. Oh, we got cliffs. With the sun coming through the trees.
The historical Missouri.
And we have the Missouri River. See, I would pronounce it Missouri, but from what I understand, it's pronounced Missouri.
I take the local language with me.
Right? We have to learn from the locals. Got a little construction here. And we get to go through a little construction tunnel. Yeah, they probably want you to walk your bike through here, but on the trike it's always easier to ride. There we go, right?
I'm keeping myself in order.
You are. And look at this, we got trikers on the trail. Hey, you guys, how's it going? Sorry?
We're Jay and Bonita, the ones you're meeting.
Fantastic.
meet you.
Very nice. Bonita and,
And Jay.
Jay. Jay, oh my gosh, thank you. Thank you so much.
Oh, well,
Whoa.
this is a treat.
Oh my gosh, isn't this an amazing day?
Oh, this is beautiful.
All right.
All right, well, I'll get
Well, let's
turned
turn the trikes around and so did you see Caleb's kitty?
No.
He has a cat with him.
Are you serious?
Yeah, little Marilyn.
Oh.
All right, Caleb. Really, really great riding with you. Super fun. That was fortuitous. And Marilyn.
Yeah, follow us at calicocycles.com.
Yeah, Calico Cycles. Little Marilyn, she's purring away, just napping in her basket. All right, well, hopefully I'll see you down the trail.
Yeah.
Yeah, I sure hope so.